Hey guys, we received this Bpmio self-emptying robot vacuum and a mop combo for test and try. So this one you can see is a robo vacuum cleaner. It's 4000 PA with a robo vacuum and a cleaner with the schedule. So it's a Lidar navigation, Wi-Fi app and the vacuum robot. So it's the extra bag, collection bag. So just keep it aside. This one is the main unit of the robo vacuum. So now you can see the extra accessories like for the mopping. This is also a different set with the two brushes. So these are two brushes or the rotors here. So this is the main collection unit or the charging unit for this robo vacuum. So this completes our unboxing and you can see everything here, the main unit. So this main unit is a really like glass on the top and this surface with the different attachments here. There you can see a little like a brushy thing. So you have to just remove these protectors so that will start working. So this is a dust collection bag. So you can just take it out from here. So you can open and close this brown thing, the cloth thing, and you can clean up this cloth like emptying it and then reuse it. So it also have like one extra in here that I showed you before, and it's a collection unit, easy to open. So this also have this cutter tool that hair to remove those hairs and stuck stuff. So this is a nice like unit that will empty the whole stuff of this robo vacuum into this bag through this channel. So with this robo vacuum, see like this rotor, so there's a red mark here. So just put it on the red marker. So be careful while putting and you have to just push it down so it will start. And then another one is the green. So you have to just put it in the green side. So you can see a flexible wheels here. So it can go on any different surfaces or on a bump. You can just take this out to clean this up. So this is the rotor. As I showed the cutter and the stuff, you can remove the hair from here and just put it here. So this one is the mopping attachment so that you can use. So this is like a Velcro. So it's extra mopping cloth here. So you can put it on that and the all additional steppery. This accessory will go on the top of it. So this will also do the mopping thing. So you have to just click in and then it do the mopping as well. So now to start the Wi-Fi on this unit, I will show. So this is the whole setup when you put it in the power supply. As you can see it here, this two blue icon is blinking. So first thing is to install the app. So I'm just installing this app, the smart home app, and then once this is installed, you registered and give all this permissions and everything. I will show you how to connect this vacuum or the robo vacuum with your mobile. So to start the Wi-Fi on this, you have to press these two buttons and you see the Wi-Fi icon is start blinking. Now you have to go to add device and then start the connection process. So once this will be connected, this will be a solid light and this is all connected here. And now we can just put this vacuum back and then show the demo. So as you can see, this is connected, everything is here. You can auto set everything or the map or the Lidar detection and stuff. So this when starting, you can see that how this works is a very less noisy. There is no much noise. And then if you do the auto thing, it will just go directly towards the charging station and empty itself. So this have a lidar navigation with a 8-meter range. So the good thing is it start charging on its own and it's a really like fun thing, and it's easy to operate, and then you can also control and do the thing. So see, like it's a hardwood floor right now, and then it's good on the hardwood floor. It can also go on the carpet and then easily work with that. So it the other thing is, as you can see, like it take turns on its own. It based on the anything in between, it goes below there or beneath this to do that stuff in, and uh, the clean the stuff. So it can go beneath the stuff on its own. It can take the size and the shape, and it can just rotate on its own. So you don't have to control, but it goes on its own, as you can see it here, and then start mopping and cleaning stuff. And when this battery is on, or that it complete the process, it will go to its charging station, empty itself, and then start charging. So it's all automatic. So this is a nice thing. As you can see that it going into the spaces, it is just turning around and then do. So I'm not controlling anything right now, but it's doing it everything on its own. So this is a really a nice and helpful stuff that we used. And then it can also do things on the carpet, because I tested on the carpet also, but and it goes on the carpet on its own. So it auto switch between the hardwood floor and the carpet, and then do the stuff. You can also see the mapping on your mobile phone, that which area it's shown here, and then you can just click on the auto clean, and soon it will go. The command will go to the robo vacuum, and wherever it is, it will come towards its charging station, and then you can feel a really great power vacuum to clean up this that I will just show you, and then it will just doing as a charging thing. So it's a very nice robo vacuum, very handy, very useful. The self-emptying thing, connection with the Wi-Fi. You can also connect with your Alexa, give the command, and then do it. Once this is connected through the Wi-Fi, it's also good to connect through the Alexa. It's pretty easy. Just open the Alexa app and add device, and it's already there, so it will connect automatically. So you can see a powerful vacuum where it is cleaning up or self-cleaning, and you can also see the whole map where it goes in different direction on the different areas. And then cleaning the self bag is there. You can just take out this bag, just see what's inside, and you can just empty this bag. So you can see there is a dust collection here. Overall, a very nice Wi-Fi controlled robo vacuum.